Hello and welcome to Katu. Today we are going to be opening the Pokemon TCG Pokeball tin. This tin is round in shape and has lots of different styles like this quick ball. This ball has the same features of this Pokeball, but it has a different style. Also, it is more harder to get. But today, we are just going to be focusing on this Pokeball. This Pokeball has 3 TCG Pokemon booster packs and 1 Pokemon coin. It also has a flat bottom, so you can put it up for display. And it comes with a joke. What's inside a Pokeball? The answer is Pokemon cards, of course. So let's start opening this fantastic Pokemon tin. These Pokemon tins come with a place to rip them open, so you can rip it without scissors really easily. It is also nice and shiny and glossy like a Pokeball. Now let's open it. Okay, so we have 3 Pokemon packets, XY Breakthrough, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion, and a Sun and Moon Burning Shadows. Also, we have this nice blue coin that is really nice. I don't have this yet. I can put this to my collection of coins. So let's get started. Let's start with the first packets. Okay, the first packet we're going to do is Sun and Moon's Burning Shadows. So we have an Energy, a Buffalint, an Electric, Rhydon, Crabrawler, Snuffle, Inkay, Duskull, which looks like he's doing a little dab, Dynamo, Olivia, and Tapu Fini GX. In Burning Shadows, this is one of the cards that everyone is looking for, and also one of my favorites because it is an Island Guardian. Okay, this is definitely so far my favorite card. Let's start with the second packet, Sun and Moon Crimson Invasion. So we have a Fighting Energy and a Lowland Graveler, a Digspy, a Sea of Nothingness, a Jigglypuff, a Haldor, a nice and chubby Pikachu, a Skiddo, a Starly, a Reverse Holo Giacomo, and a Prim Ape. Our last and final packet, Breakthrough. Let's start going into it. In Lurion, a Fraxter, a Heavy Ball, a Snorlax, a Hippopotas, a Cubone, a Bleam, a Pranstot, a Pupin, and a Norbat Reverse Holo. Wait a second. Did I do that wrong? What's a rare here? Oh, the rare is a Holo Impleon V. Wait, not V. An Impleon Holo. I wouldn't say it's actually bad for a holo card. It's actually a really cool card. And we also got Tapu Fini. I am really happy of what we got today. I think if you want to get some really cool cards, you should buy the Pokemon tins. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button and also subscribe. Thank you for watching.